Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So Realme has confirmed to launch the successor to Realme X2 Pro, that is the Realme X3 SUPERZOOM in Europe on May 26th, and it will be an online only event. It is also expected that the smartphone will make its way to India, as the Realme India CEO confirmed the 60x zoom and the new starry mode to capture shots of the Milky Way. We also have some sample images of the zoom capabilities, which is impressive. The smartphone is also set to sport a 64-megapixel main camera and will be powered by Snapdragon 8 series chipset. So now that we have a basic idea of the device, let's dive into a detailed specs of this phone. Realme X3 SUPERZOOM is set to come with a 6.57-inch LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution. Yes, this is where they cut corner. But the display could support up to 120Hz refresh rate, given that this is LCD panel and the phone is flagship. Although many new phones in mid-range category also offer high refresh rate with the same setup. Realme's new smartphone uses Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor for performance. The processor on X3 SUPERZOOM is coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.0 built-in storage. On the back, the phone is said to come with a quad camera setup that includes a 64-megapixel primary sensor with f1.8 aperture, an 8-megapixel sensor with a wide-angle f2.3 lens and 119-degree field of view, and a 2-megapixel sensor with an f2.4 macro lens. There will also be an 8-megapixel periscope lens said to be capable of 60x digital zoom and 5x optical zoom. The device is also said to sport dual front camera, which may consist of a 32-megapixel and 2-megapixel sensors. As for the battery, the phone will run on a 4200 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging. It will come with USB-C port, but the 3.5mm headphone jack is not available according to leaks. For security, it will get side-mounted fingerprint scanner. With only a few days left for the unveiling of this smartphone, we can expect more details to reveal soon. There's also the Realme X3 5G, which is likely utilizing the Snapdragon 765G and will come with the periscope module and with the same design to Realme 6 according to a Tena listing. If you want to know about this device, then hit the like and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.